문제 없어요. 내 손냄새 맡아볼래?
No problem. Want to sniff my hand?
Looks like she likes you already.
그녀를 보니까 예전에 키웠던 개가 생각나네요.
She reminds me of a dog I had back in the day.
Oh, I bet you miss her.